Hi guys, this is the rough intro to skinning and strengthening my Packframe sheath systems, and I'm going to go into a little bit of history first, because a lot of people don't realize, why did Mike make the Packframe system. The first sheath, which is still one of my favorites, was the rabbit stick sheath, and we'll get into that in depth at a later time. You can see my old videos on it. The reason for a rabbit stick sheath was manifold. Some of the reasons were that it was super lightweight due to the materials it's made of and the lack of hardware. There's no metal on it. They're made strong by string wrapping the ends, or the whole thing. A cloth wrap or a cordura skin, which can be made stronger, even more so, and more presentable in ways that I'll show you, involving epoxy impregnation and such. They're also made stronger by a combination of the wrap and the cloth skin, or the presence of other supporting bodies, such as a bound proper hock, a tarp, or a blanket wrap. It's just like a parcel wrap. Again, the object of the design was to reduce useless weight of a plastic sheath, to add combustible tinder to emergency kernel gear. I left about an inch of extra material that you could shave off and caught in the rain, or there's simply no small amount of wood. You could just shave a little off your sheath and get a fire going. With some rubber bands or something is something I like to do. It's very cool to be able to make a fire with a spindle and all that, and a fire bow. Those are skills you should have, in my opinion, but make it easy on yourself. The sheaths are so cheap, either buying them from me or making them yourself, you really won't notice a few shavings off them. Anyway, another purpose was to act as a pack frame, which you've seen in some of my other earlier videos. Still love that, especially with just a tarp, laundry net, and a good wool blanket around it. Fourth was to have a modifiable sheath that could be used as a throwing stick. You get hit in the neck with one of these, boy, you'll feel it, whether it's got a machete in it or not. It's a great offhand weapon and shield, while having multi-purpose characteristics beyond sheath use, especially as a shelter item, like the tops of doorways for your tarp system, as well as other camp comfort utilities, like being used as a table or a seat. Anyone who's been soaked by sitting on wet earth when they could just sit on the sheath, especially if you're not in a static position where you're moving a lot. I move a bit when I hunt squirrels and turkey. Just don't like ambush hunting. I don't know what it is, but too easy. And that's an example of one of the purposes. Thanks for watching.